Well, go on when they and welcome forward to the TV and you don't know so Pretty Dan kinda come off of the scene from where they you don't know so fan shit in a plate blonde then go on with them when them are going with Pretty Dan. She kinda ease off of the scene and she say it think not enjoy anymore, she not love it anymore. You see it for you don't know so she see what a vlog and what a content creator I get flat in the street and things so she just kinda ease off it, you see. But she don't know she have all the things to say, but you don't know if you new run here, just remember for like, comment and share and just go and subscribe to the TV. For future upload to get it right as a forward out, you see me?
Kill you much in vlogger you sit dead in front of you. Them that sit there will make you give up and sit there where you love me, G. You think nobody love vlog like how me love vlog, man? You know what I mean? Me love, come do me topic that go violate today. You want to suck your mama, man. Around you go on with a big pussy boy. You don't know, say, yeah, man, the vlog used to be a little happiness and little thing for me, man. Where you could have just come out and you just voice your opinion and lock off your life and go about your blood clot business. The vlog not see us again. The vlog different now. The vlog stay one way. You see them? Them can't tell you if you suck your mama 100 times. You see if you ever do it and come here and come shot in your face. And that's how the vlog reach now. And let you about the vlog reach right now, no? So who knows what you say? Wanna hype it up your fuck. Una the gasoline them, brother. Like, una so much glad to see vlog reach us, so bro. Where went I wanna see? Gun violence I wanna see. Nobody try to threaten people life. It brings some kind of happiness to our life and because me not like Pretty Dan that we dead, you know, I should have shot it and kill it, you know. One of the main gasoline them, man. One time I used to vlog camera, you know. I say, come go, no, me 2 cents them. And one time I realized I want to see a man sit down here, so. And watch people tell lie upon me. And tell me, say, me a liar. I couldn't believe it about me, clad. Because one thing, I don't do a ramp with my pussy clad life, you know. And I want to hype up the whole lie bad people, them, brother. And all of these years, everybody on the internet know me as one thing. I'm a vlogger. I only vlog. I don't have no bad man when me walk with. Me not no crew. Me not have 10 strap man or 5 strap man. Anytime me walk alone. Anytime one promoter book me for no event at all, I always me one. Yeah, because me not associate myself with gang violence. Me not associate myself with bad man. Me not associate myself with gun. Me not associate myself with them things because I tell you, say, a gun kill my father. Man go kill him in a house, him friend them. Hours a morning. So one time me walk alone. If me there, me yard alone. Me no pre-gang violence, me no pre-gunshot. Me never show no gun yet, because me no have none. Me no glorify badness. Me no walk and do them things. Me go do my vlog. You see me? And you see, one time me see the vlog reach the gun violence and come on me yard to come kill me. You can't blame me for retire from this. So one blood clot phone in front of me worth my life. You must be fucking idiot. You're not a fucking idiot. You don't see a man, I laugh. I see you laugh, you fuck. Dan should have dead, Dan for dead. You should have kill you, you should have welcome back to her. I don't want this. I'm rather go look walk cute. Like what me do. I say me rather go look walk. Me rather go turn up in a Walmart. Me rather go turn up in a Walgreens. Because I want to see him when I go skin off with a bumbo clot teeth them and tell my mother condolence when people kill me, you know. Oh, me never know if it's true. Me the things say a joke. I don't know if I got suck phone no mama yawa. Me there, Marshall come on out here. Me there. Well, you call me because I'm not sure. If you call me babes, me you there. Anybody call me babes, we there. If you call me babes right now, we there. Right out, right through. Jump crow, come. Sean, what, baby? Believe no, what I deal with, man. I love you, bad. So, we have 90 more days with TikTok, what I say? So what are we gonna do? What the fuck, dog? Yo, dog, I'm calling for one day, dog. I swear, me have one bag of things that go on long, so I'm gonna start painting my finger them now. As tomorrow, them say them a bunny. Oh, God. Favorite no, sir? Work. I miss it to man. Yo, I miss it vlogging. But now I got yo, God, I know that coming here. Blood clot. What do you mean? I see some wolf sit and go on the internet. Not a fucking soul. I eat with the more down to put on no trust in a dunce. Will you never realize that me I never idiot all of these years? Me can't read. I am very articulate. Me just loud. I love customer word. But we had when me see the topic, the mommy I say, yo, Jesus Christ. Oh, nobody now sit down in a them topic the right and proper way. And then me forgot. Only Dan can do that. Me I tell you say this here, we don't do a delete there, Peter Forward. No. Every time topic come, then just come drop and go some blooper ground. That's it. No book to them, I'm telling them I retire from the vlog, man. I retire from the vlog, I'm not vlogging now. What the last time I said I do a vlog 56 days ago on my YouTube channel. So everybody, we're glad for my retirement. Say, yes, man! Retire, boy, I look good in a retirement, fuck that. I don't care what one blood clot say. Retirement look good for me. Me brown, finger them paint, toe them paint. I look good, bitch. Yes, man. Yeah, man. Why?
Judas him fucking self with their party every night at dash money. And I buy beer NEC. When if he there sleep or if he there work, tell him to buy NEC and go dashy and give beer selector beer money. That's all he know if you do. See there? Judas himself, people. Judas him fucking self. Well, that's the only thing he know if you do. Dash money. My bill house gig girl. I don't know if he might need pitney them. From when his son wants some clothes, not even that thing can buy. But tell him if he carry money, guy will go buy NEC. Know if he do it. But he don't know if he take care and pitney them. That is what Judas do.
No,
see? No, man, more you say sitting, man. More you say sitting.
Come on, take up your sitting them, man.
More you say sitting. More you say sitting. Say sitting, no, sir.
Take up your things, man.
Say sitting. Looking at us, he can go party every night. He can go party every night. And he can buy, he work on the house now, but tell him to buy NEC. Tell him to mind man and mind girl. If all of them wanna like him, he know if he do it. And he can't do nothing more.
My house.
Then me not have me to you going like you wanna have house. So we not have to do nothing. Me have me to I go and buy window then put in there and then he deal with going like pussy. Going woman he use the woman for buy. Use the woman for put in window and door for him and then he run away woman. Until be alive on him.
No woman never buy nothing from me.
A woman put in the window, see window there?
No woman never buy nothing from my house.
A woman put in the window them. A little volume where you turn up pan, I feel me can't take up. A little volume, this is where you turn up pan, I me buy. This is where you turn up pan, I me buy. This is where you turn up pan, I me buy. This way you turn up pan, I me buy. Mat them when I host, I me buy. When we come, only thing he have, me say, the only thing him have is the fan in bed. He not even did have the TV now. This me make him buy this. But tell him if you have his shoes and everything, you know for it. You want a video, me make video for you. You want a video, so me make a video for you. And me I go send it on you when you're done too. And then me block you.
No man.
Me a send it on you, then me block you. No man, me no, I no social media. I no social media this figure pan.
Send it on social media.
I no social media this figure pan. You think I social media me put it on? No, me not put it on a social media.
Send it on social media.
No, on a social media. You can mind moose. I got moose here and go take care of picking them on the road with him every night and hear a girl them. I eat. I eat about me, you ungrateful pussy will I eat about me. Yes, I eat about me. I eat about me. I eat about me because you're fucking ungrateful. Me don't want your clothes and your shoes because most of your clothes them fake. You only thing you have is couple real shoes. Most of your clothes them are shiny wear. Most of them are shiny wear. And most of them are me buy them off a Shein for you. Most of them are me buy them off a Shein for you. Most of them are me buy off a Shein for you. And I never come to social media yet and tell people say me buy clothes for you yet.
But when we put them on, they look good same way.
So, you hear me complain? Oh, if you burn me.
When you buy them,
why you burn me and you disrespect? Only thing you do is burn me and you disrespect. Me look fucking good. You know, see, you make me mug and favorite. From me take you out me tongue cruff. From me take you out me tongue cruff. Because you suck out everything out of people. You suck out everything out of people. That is all you do. You suck out everything out of people. You suck out everything out of people. You suck out everything out of people. That is all you do. That is all you do.
Someone take a bit and go and wear business.
He curtain them after me because I remember say you never have no curtain in your society.
I
might curtain them. I miss Rose. I might curtain them when I miss Rose. Gucci, you buy for your Gucci or David Jeremiah. Why you give me money for buying? Why you give me money for buying? For your Gucci curtain, yes, so then you have to me.
You take up everything. You take up everything.
Mistake. Let me have curtain, you have to me. Yes, me have take them, I feel me. Yeah, I feel me.
Take where I take and go on, man.
I feel me.
Take where I take and go on, brother.
I feel me.
Take where I take and go on,
I feel me, me I take it.
What you doing, man?
I feel me. Because your money can that. Your money to go a party every night and spend.
No worry, my money.
And you don't have no money to spend for your house or spend for your picnic.
My money.
You get partners and you take your mind, girl, and fling it everywhere all about. And you don't do fucking nothing more with it.
My money, brother.
And you want to come hype on me. You can't talk to me.
My money. This is what I want to do with my money.
Yeah, because you don't have no fucking sense.
I'm always know I'm going to take over.
Nobody know your house. Me and for me, me bill for me and for me look fucking better than for you.
You don't want to move out tight.
Who don't want to move out tight? Then I will. Me are going like me living in your house. No, me and for me.
You look like you want to run me out and move on.
No! Me don't want to run out and nothing. Me not even want to hurt them because I can't burn them.
Yeah, man. My money by them.
Which part of your money by them? You give woman money. You one thing I know if you do I look for him every other week, every other month, and pay get 10,000 and say, your supermarket. Which woman you come pay? Which woman you come pay for? Which woman you come pay? Talk now, which woman you pay? You're there on video, so I love if you talk. Which woman you pay?
Yo, do what you do, man.
Which woman you pay?
Do what you do, man.
You pay nobody?
Nobody, hey, remember I know.
You pay nobody?
Me. You can't stand at me.
You pay nobody?
No, no, can't do
You pay nobody?
It's my place to sit up.
Excuse.
The greatest thing is my house.
Yeah, let me not
My
ask me
place.
too. Yeah, go on, let me not ask me too. The
My
greatest thing,
place.
it is mine.
You get upset because I tell us I don't want to no longer in a place.
Me not get upset.
Take down me sitting them and I miss.
The last time me check, and me buy me curtain them.
Me can buy them.
The last time me check and me buy them.
Tomorrow morning.
The last time me check and me buy them, not you.
Tomorrow
The
morning.
last time me check and me go buy them, and me have my receipt.
Watch the video where you are going to get.
Me don't want a video from you, sir. Me don't want nothing
Watch
from
the
you.
video where you are going to get. Me just want to know what I'm place. That's why I left the place, so I don't want to try to take over it.
Take over it. Take over it. Take over it. Take over. Yeah, show me. Yeah, show me. Your biggest downfall in your life are your fucking self. Yeah, show me. You not show me nothing. You not show me nothing. The only thing you show yourself, say. Your mind dirty and your heart corrupt and a union Judas himself. No man, a union Judas yourself, man. Say nothing to me. Where you say to me? Where you say to me? Where you say to me? I know you buy them, man. Me buy them. I know you buy them, man. Me buy them. I know you buy them, man. Me buy them. No, no, they feel